Hello students from St. Mary Primary School, Jogeshwari East. I am Mrs. Akshata Shenoy with a very interesting topic for you. That is storage of water. We all know rainy seasons are going on and everyone is busy in enjoying and admiring the rainy season. You will realize that some rainwater flows away over the ground. Some water seeps into the ground. All the water we get comes from the rain. The rainy season lasts for 3 or 4 months. Along with us, all living things use this water all year round. If we do not store water, we will not have enough water for our needs. That is why we have to save water. Water must be used economically. In this lesson, we will see different ways of storing water. Old water stores. In olden days, several methods of storing water were used in our state. Nowadays, these old water stores are rarely used. However, their remains can be seen in all places. Some of them are very beautiful. Water in some of these stores never get depleted. The first one is wells. Some rainwater seeps into the ground. Wells are dug to obtain this water. Second one is water tanks in forts. People lived on the hill forts in the past. They also needed water. The forts had reservoirs and tanks dug into the stone. Draw wells, also known as Aad in Marathi. In the past, draw wells were dug to get drinking water. They are small wells from which water is drawn using a small pot tied to a rope. Rivers and bunds. Earthen or masonry bunds were built across rivers to store their water. Old reservoirs. Reservoirs were built in areas of low rainfall or in areas without any major river. Most of the reservoirs were built using stones. The next one is old tanks, or in Marathi known as haud. Earlier, tanks were used to store water. Some large cities still have these old tanks. Some of them are still in use. So today we learnt about old water stores. We learnt wells, water tanks in forts, draw wells, rivers and bands, old reservoirs and old tanks are several methods of storing water were used in our state. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.